What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. It's been a little while since I've done a TRIAS update, so I'm going to go ahead and dive into the TRIAS chart. First and foremost, guys, I have started a Discord group about 2 weeks ago. If you have interest in joining that, I will put a link below this video. I'm offering 2 weeks free trial for anybody that wants to hop in. You can check it out, see what the content's all about. If you don't like it, get out, no big deal. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So don't blindly follow anything I say or do. Let's hop into TRIAS. I'm going to look at TRIAS on a macro view first, and then I'm going to dive into the details and into the weeds on the micro view. So for those of you guys that have been following me and my TRIAS updates, you guys know that my macro view is that I've got a one wave up here, a B, C to create our two wave, and then a 3, 4, 5, 3 wave at 250, and then a 5 wave potentially at 475. If you guys are in my Discord, or if you guys follow me on some on Twitter or my other channels, you guys know that this 3 wave here is a very low target from an Elliott wave standpoint on where this thing can go. I put it at 250 because that's kind of where I feel comfortable as a trader, taking this trade and selling from a macro standpoint on a swing trade at the end of this bull cycle at 250. I believe it can go a lot higher. Like I said, if you're in my Discord, you guys would know where that number is, but it's not really a number that I'm going to put out there because I'm not the pump and dump shilling type of guy. I prefer to be realistic, and I'm not here to, get you guys to buy my bags or anything like that. I'm just here to show you what I see in the market and how I see it, and I'm not, wanting to cause any kind of FOMO or anything like that. So anyways, macro view, my 3 is at 250, my 4 is at 470, and I believe we are currently on a flat, an Elliott wave flat of some sort, being a ABC, a 3 wave A, a 3 wave B, and then either a 5 wave structure down to form the C, or this could be a WXY, and this could be some sort of an ABC structure here. But either way, the target, could potentially, as a running flat, I've got us going down to about 550. If this thing is a regular flat or an expanded flat, it could take us down to 370 to 390 if this 550 does not hold. So assuming this 550 holds, I will base this video pretty much off of that, but understand that there is potential for a further correction if that 550 does not hold. So zooming in, I believe we have a 1 ABC to create our 2, a 3 down, an ABC up to create a W, and then an ABC to create an X, and then an ABC to create your Y, which creates your macro 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I see the 5th wave ending at about 550, if this count is correct. So for those of you guys who follow me on Twitter or in my Discord, you guys know that I have been calling for this 550 number for quite some time, and I am fairly confident that we will get there eventually, depending on what happens with this price action and with Bitcoin. I would not get faked out on any of these pumps. If you want to zoom out, I've had a lot of people ask me how I got 550, and there's no support, from a price action standpoint or anything like that, which is, first of all, not accurate. There is a lot of confluence from a PA standpoint, if you're a price action person, which happens to be this here. If you're a support and resistance person and you think there's no support or resistance around 550, then you obviously aren't looking at the chart. Because if you look here, this is a 3-wave of a 1-wave structure. And this is a 4-wave here. And there clearly is rejection here back in April of 21. And then once you break through it, you've got a retest, and then you wick down several times here, once, twice, 3 times, and reclaim, use that as support, and then you break below it. So I would actually argue to the people who are telling me that I'm crazy for having a 550 target, that there's nothing there from a historical price standpoint, from a PA standpoint, price action standpoint, to say that there's going to be any kind of support or resistance. And those people say that basically it's going to go straight to $4 because of this structure here, which if you're macro bullish, this could just be a deviation. And we never ever get down that low. So that's where, from a price action standpoint, if you guys really want to understand supports and resistance, you got to look a little further besides just looking at, this and saying, well, oh gosh, if we break here and we don't hold here, because you got this level, we don't hold 630, then all of a sudden we're going straight down to this level, then obviously you don't understand price action. But I'm not here to argue, and that's all. I digress. See y'all later.